Hello everyone, this is Sudhir Kumar Dwivedi, Assistant Professor of Law from Jantep School of Law, Greater Noida. The topic for today's lecture is Witness Protection Scheme under the subject Law of Evidence. Uh, Witnesses are regarded as one of the most indispensable element in the criminal justice system. It is because of them that the trial finds some substance so as to arrive at the fair conclusion. The inputs provided by the witness may have direct bearing on the conviction or acquittal of an accused. Hence, it is desired that such witness be protected from the wrath of the extraneous factors that have the capability to change his stance over a particular case. Extraneous factors in form of corruption or threats from a majority which result in turning of the witness hostile. Hence, it's become rudimentary for the state to ensure protection of such witness so as to alter the prescribed course of justice. So, let's see what is the definition of the witness. Witness has nowhere been defined in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 or in the Indian Evidence Act 1872. However, the Black Law Dictionary defines it as, in the primary sense, the word a witness is a person who has knowledge of the event. As the most direct mode of acquiring knowledge of the event is by seeing it, witness has acquired the sense of a person who is person at and or just the transaction. That is the definition of the witness provided in Black Law Dictionary. But as in the Witness Protection Scheme 2018, it is defined that a witness means any person who possesses information or document about any crime regarded by the competent authority as being material to any criminal proceeding, and who has made a statement or who has given or agreed or is required to give evidence in relation to such proceeding. So as per this scheme, witness is a person who is having some knowledge or is having a document which is related with any crime, and who has made already a statement regarding that crime, or has given or agreed or is required to give some evidence regarding to that crime is known as the witness. Need for this scheme. What is the need for this scheme? It is rule of law that no rights of the witness should be prejudiced by way of threats, intimidation, or corruption, therefore, to allow him to testify for or against the case which had been witnessed to with full liberty. In the words of Jeremy Bentham, witnesses are eyes and ears of the court. Hence, it becomes imperative on part of the state to provide adequate protection to the witnesses to ensure ideal working of the wheel of justice. There are some important case laws in this point, that is Jahira Habibullah at Sheikh and others versus State of Gujarat, State of Gujarat versus Aniruddha Singh, Sakshi versus Union of India.